Hello guys, Mr. Flapey here, and last time I had played this game, it was amazing. I am now going to be playing some Turbo Dismount. Well, let's begin, shall we? And we are somewhere. It's fine. Let's get some vehicles. Oh my god! I'm not gonna watch it eat. Let's ride in a vehicle. I love to ride. Oh, Pink Lightning! And here today to play this game with me is a good friend of mine named Miles Tails per hour. And let's play this game. Okay, now let's see. After watching the awesomest Jacksepticeye, I've seen. I can't put. Never mind. I'm ready. 2. Turbo Dismount. I'm going so slow. Much better. Snowplow, get over. No. Snowplow! That's nice. My legs became my arms. Frickin' snowplow. I can do this. I can get through this floopy level. Let's do this. And we're going.
Except I was told Gatorade doesn't freeze.
Let's get some obstacles. Let's see. Okay, we're going that way.
Anything that, as long as it doesn't have an alcohol.
Here we go, right? We're gonna get to the other side. Oh, my name isn't Sheldon. And it's not. Alright, and let's go. Tails flower. Come on. What the H, truck? What the H? Let's get another vehicle. This one is like making me angry. The Diving Man. I don't know what it said. Yo! Turbo Dismount! Cause speed is key! Dude, I just ate pylon.
Oh, we can still do it.
My car, it's pieces flying off. I just ate that. Completed. It's complete. Look what happens to my guy. It just whacks off a pole, right? There you go. And oh, it wasn't a pole, it was a truck. Yeah. Select the level. Side marks?
I don't care.
It's not going to. You've not done before.
I'll beat you, you cordy. Oh no, I'm not.
Probably.
Alright, sounds like we're gonna do.
Or are you?
Dang. You're going to get through this. Spider-Man? Really?
Hello. Hi. I have friends over.
You killed me. You fuck. No high sky. Yeah. Let's restart that. This sucked. I need to get some ramps, some speed. Better car than this crap. Oh, I can't get any of these.
Being a retarded computer, what?
I can't even get the boss loans from the.
Alright, hold on a second. Max, Erica says hello and and don't eat her hidden mushroom.
Shroom.
I'll show you shrooms.
I'll show you shroomers.
Touch your mom.
Oh my god. I didn't know I could eat a turkey bird. The turkey bird. Hi, turkey bird.
She also says
Yep.
that to
I'm
me.
gonna call you Flappy Bird.
Tell her
I'm gonna call you Flappy Bird.
She said she'll touch her mom.
Flappy Bird shucks. Now we need. I want speed ramps.
What? Erica, what? your little dog too.
One freaking speed ramps.
I'm too good at making people say what. Okay.
Boobly.
Hold on. Here you go. Talk to our sister.
Oh, whatever. Okay, yeah, now let's, hi, what's up? Hold on. Sorry, guys, I'm talking to a friend, and I'm still in the play. Okay, what's up, Erica? I'm on the phone with you. Oh, I'm making a video of me playing this cool, awesome game I just found. Turbo Dismount. I'm playing as a turkey. Oh no, my turkey's whack. No. Stay going, turkey. Stay going. Oh no, it's wobbling. Wobbling. Eat it. Eat it, other car. Eat it. I won. I'm the turkey. I'm a flying turkey.
Talk to our sister.
Oh God. So here. Thank you. So Erica, how you been doing? How you been doing?
Okay.
That's fantastic.
He's just like, really?
What up? Nice. I'm gonna do it again. Yes, do it. So, what? I'm good. My girlfriend was just over yesterday.
Really? Taking it?
What?
I don't care.
What?
I thought she was eating it like a noodle.
Did what? No. Why is it cold there?
That's sexy.
Dan, I got an idea. Close them.
Why don't you find
Well,
out?
that's poo. I don't want my sister to freeze.
I
I
can
want
see
you to
it.
freeze.
Mm-hmm.
How about dismount?
I always call them.
I know I'm weird, but I don't care. Oh, thank you. Oh no, my turkey's flying all over the place. I'm playing a game where I can be a little turkey bird, and I'm flying all over the place. It was good. I didn't go trick-or-treating, except, well, I did, get some candy.
I'm sorry. I can't see your face from here, just so you know.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't. If you beat me different, I'm gonna smack you. Let's see here. 5. Maybe. I think she went somewhere. Went
Pull my hair. Ow.
to work. I think.
No.
Mhm.
Ow. Ow.
I win.
Yeah.
Suck your dick.
I'm not going to.
Whoa. Hello. What are we doing? What the? Oh, it's working.
I'm sorry.
I fixed it.
I'm bored. I get hyper. When I'm hyper, I'm bored.
Erica.
Yeah.
I gotta go. Okay. Hey, it's not a favor.
Just hand me the phone
Tell
if
me
you're
I
not
made
going to
that
talk
see
to our
that
sister.
fat fluff.
Yeah.
Ow! 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 Fall. I'm back, and well, I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm just gonna be messing around with this later, so I'll be back. And hello. And I'll see you guys later. Except before I go, I am gonna be showing 10 favorite candies.
It's not like that.
So see you guys. Bye.